right, boys and girls, we have some new letters today. Our first letter is the letter O. O for octopus. Everybody point to O on their screen like this. Great job. Our next letter is the letter J. J for jug. Point to J on your screen like this. Great job. Great job pointing. Our next letter is the letter N. N for nut. Everybody point to N on their screen like this. Great job pointing. Our next letter is the letter K. K for kite. Point to K on your screen like this. Great job. Our next letter is the letter L. L for lamp. Point to L for me like this. L for lamp. And our last letter is the letter M for man. Point to M like this. Great job pointing.